When you need precise cooling and heating at your fingertips, an energy-efficient Denali Aire Mini-Split is the perfect solution to control your climate. With our innovative line set attachments, you can easily set up this system within hours. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Here's how it works. The unit's refrigerated line set draws in heat from the room through the indoor wall unit and pumps it out through the outdoor condenser. The indoor wall unit controls the temperature and recycles the cool air throughout the room. The unit can also be used for heat, and its remote control makes sure that you can control your temperature wherever you are. The unit's compact size means that it can be placed in almost any space. No complicated ducts, just 3 simple parts. Best of all, the system has a variety of features and benefits, including 7 fan speeds, smart, super, and auto modes, a built-in temperature sensor in the remote, mobile app access, an eco-friendly reusable filter, and it reduces allergens and humidity. The Denali Aire Quick Connect Mini-Split. Everything you'd ever want in a cooling system, right where you need it.
You're all set and ready to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy.